Tension, stress, pain in your back, neck, or legs? Say hello to your new favorite fascia tension relief tool by KOA ELITE. This isn't your over-the-counter massager. This all-in-one fascia massage tool has ergonomic handle and pressure point therapy fingers, uniquely configured to dig deep into all your troubled spots for effective myofascial release from your head to your feet. Effectively apply pressure to muscle knots, then knead and blast all your sore, tired spots into submission. The unique design mimics the hand and elbow, making it easy to press deep into the tissue in your shoulders, hamstrings, calves, thighs, lower, middle, upper back, neck, and chest. It helps alleviate pain and loosen stiff muscles exactly where you need it most. Treat the pain issues at its core by manipulating and releasing trigger points in soft tissue fascia. Think of it as a 24/7 massage therapist and personal massager that you can take with you anywhere. Designed for maximum utility and ease of use, bring a full body massage home with this KOA ELITE Fascia Trigger Point Massage Tool.